winning. Grind hard, independent. Get money, spin it, get money.
Alright, you got your one screw up top, right? You got these little clamps on the side that holds it together. You got to rock it side to side to kind of get that loosened. And then once you do that, you got these two screws right here. That's the only screws that's holding this top plate together. But getting these clamps loose, it's going to take some work. You're going to feel like you may almost break it. But once you do that, this piece will fall right out. It's like the motor mount that mounts against that motor right there. And the key is getting this teardrop that covers the indicator LCD display. You got 4 clamps holding that down. It's hard to get it out. You got to rock it side by side to loosen those clamps. But once you do, you'll see that it still won't come off. But you got to unscrew these two at an angle. And once you do that, I suggest you cutting off the piece that's locking down that teardrop. Now we get to the goodies. Nice big motor right here. This motor is a beast. You got the power switch on the side mounted, which is different. I've never really seen that before. 2000 milliamp hour battery, and LCD display and all, the motherboard. Yeah, and I skipped unscrewing all of those interior screws because they were in plain sight. You know, no need to waste your time, you feel me? So yeah, this goes on the side mounted power switch, and that's about it, man. I know what you really want to see, so let's get to it.
In the summer, got myself a winner. Everybody's sprung. Raindrops falling all over my tongue. Sunlight when sunlight become night. Sweet like peaches and plums in the summer. Got myself a winner. Everybody's sprung. Raindrops falling on the tip of my tongue. October child, the autumn glow flow the now. Smile even when I'm supposed to frown. Float with the boats even when I'm supposed to drown. Folks, this how dope's supposed to sound. Enemies that get roped and doped around. Every day I feel the Father closer now. Blessings I don't earn, but He still give them. Lessons get learned, but